Hi, it's Pete at Pete's Snakebite Kit. Thanks for coming by and checking out my YouTube channel again. Hey, we're not in Pete's Snakebite Kit studio because there's no Cobra in there. But the nice thing is that thing's an echo chamber. And so we're in the backyard where the acoustics are actually a little bit better. There may be a little bit of wind noise. So in the last video, I told you I was going to get up bright and early the next morning, going to get the Cobra back down to the body shop, reunite the chassis and the body, and that's exactly what I did. So let's take a look. We got the chassis safely back to the body shop, and it's about to be reunited with the painted body.
What's going on here? What are you doing?
There's a body, beautifully painted. This is Rangoon Red, and it's actually one of 6 different Rangoon Reds that we picked. But hey, as we walk around the body here, take a look at this. When you see the reflections of light and other things on here, notice how it flows across there like it's going across some smooth water. I looked at the body and all the body parts for quite a while, and the closer I looked, the more I liked it. Hey, something I've had a lot of questions on, and I'm sure you're going to get more questions on. How much is this paint job going to cost? We are going to talk about that. That will be on a future video. Because saying I took my car to the body shop to get painted is like saying the Titanic needs some work. So there are so many things that were done, little details that really I wouldn't have thought of that needed to be, not needed to be, that could be better. I really wasn't shooting for something that's super top show quality, but hey, to their credit, that's how they do stuff at the Original Garage. So what I am going to do in a future video, I'm going to give you a tour of the car and all the little things they did to make this paint job special. There I go, paint job again. It's just what we call things, but there's a bunch of it. It's not a short list, and it all costs money. So yes, I'm going to give you a tour, let you know really all the things that were done, and yes, I'll give you an idea of what it would cost to do something like this. Brother, it ain't cheap, let me tell you. Here's some shots of the hood. The hood scoop is just actually sitting on there. I just wanted you guys to get an idea of what the hood looks like. And again, you can see those reflections look like they're just sliding across a piece of smooth glass.
Ladies and gentlemen, from Los Angeles, California, the Doors!
So here's a shot of the doors from the inside and the outside, just so you can get an idea of what those look like. I think they look pretty good. So there you have it. The body's all painted and looking good. There's some cut and buff, they call it now. I used to call it color sanding, but I guess that's not what they call it anymore. Anyway, there's some finished work to do on it. Of course, the body needs to go on. All of the little pieces here and there have got to go on. Then I'm going to bring it home. We're shooting for next week, so that's the plan. And when I see it, you're going to see it. And I bet I'm going to like it. I hope you like it too. Hey, we'll see you next time.